Good afternoon, Secretary and Director Castro. Good afternoon po.
Afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Sir, the user for the second agenda po is already present here in the conference. We have a conference. Where would you like to start today? Continue the meeting na po.
Sorry, medyo choppy. What was that?
I'm sorry, sir. We have the end user present here in the conference room, sir. And we also have Director Milano po. And we have a person to continue the meeting na po.
All right, thank you. Sige, please proceed. Back.
Thank you. Please proceed. Backside.
So we're just coordinating with the bidder, sir. Attend po siya online. For a while lang, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the continuation of our 45th meeting. Please be advised that this is being for documentation first. For the second agenda, we would like to acknowledge the presence of the members. The end user provisional member for the second agenda is Mr. Dante Linen, present here in the conference room. Good afternoon, sir. We also have Director Gino B. Ilano. Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon po.
Thank you po. And we also have Dr. Maria Victoria Castro. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Afternoon.
And this meeting will be presented by our chairperson, Asset Gerald James. Yes, good afternoon again, sir. With the presence of the backers mentioned, the back secretariat, the presence of the participant. Mr. Chair, may we also have your permission to admit the other end user representative?
Yes, please.
Leaders for the second agenda.
Yes, please admit everyone.
Good afternoon po to all the user representatives. To our PWG members who are present here in the conference room, good afternoon po. To our bidder, welcome to quotations for the procurement of fuel through free card service. The approved budget for the contract is 9,068,062 pesos. We would like to inform everyone that this meeting is being recorded for documentation purposes. Furthermore, the promoter pursuant to Section 28 of RA 12009, a copy of the recording will be uploaded on the entity official YouTube channel. Please to visit the Department of ICT Philippines in YouTube. Thank you po. Before we proceed with the opening offer, we would just like to give a brief background. For the invitation to bid for the project was posted on July 13, 2025 on the following USOP's website, the ACT website, the ACT Bulletin Board, and the negotiation meeting was held as July 21, 2025, and the invitation to observers for the opening of bids were sent on July 30, 2025 to the following Commission on Audit, Chief Information Officers for Foundation Incorporated, and Institute of Electronics Engineers of the Philippines Incorporated, and the Philippine Computer Society. However, no observers were able to attend the meeting. For the opening proper, we would like to form a city boundary and documents using the pass or fail criteria to determine whether all the documents are present. In the absence of any of the required documents, automatically disqualifies the bidder. Also, inform that the back to its secretariat will initial every page of the submitted documents. And we have one bidder, which is the Petron Corporation. They submitted its bid today at 11:59 a.m. So, Chair, with your permission, we will now to open the submission of Petron Corporation.
Please proceed and open.
Please proceed and open.
Thank you po. Shown that screen is submission of Petron Corporation. The submission is properly labeled, sealed but no initial. May we request acknowledgement po from the representative of Petron Corporation? Kindly acknowledge if this is the video submitted earlier today po at 11:59 a.m.
Hello po. Yes, confirming po that
Oh,
the
yes, confirming
entering
po
documents
that
na sila
the
open. Thank you.
documents na sila
Thank you so much, sir. Mr. Chair, we will now proceed to open the participation of corporation. The mother envelope contains two separate envelopes labeled eligibility and technical documents and the financial documents. We will now set aside the financial documents and proceed with the eligibility and technical documents. Inside the eligibility and technical documents contains three separate envelopes labeled eligibility and technical documents original copy, eligibility and technical documents duplicate copy, and triplicate copy. We will now proceed to open the original copy and distribute the copy to the end user and PWG press to clear the contents. So the technical component envelope, classic documents, legal documents, valid periods, registration certificate, platinum membership, all pages. In accordance with Section 8.5.2 of the IRR, when pursuant to Section 8.5.2 of the 2016 Rights IRR, RA number 9184 and GPPB resolution number 15-31, all class eligibility documents indicated in Annex A of the PhilJobs registration certificate, Platinum membership must be current, valid, and updated at the time of the submission. The failure by the prospective bidder of its certificate with the current and updated Class A eligibility documents shall result in the automatic suspension of the validity of certificates until such time of the expired Class A eligibility document has been updated. Thus, prospective bidders are required to update their PhilJobs registration certificates prior to the submission of the bid. The screen is a certificate of PhilJobs administration, platinum membership. This is to certify Petron Corporation. This certificate is valid on Feb 23, 2020. The certificate of PhilJobs registration is on all pages, including the Annex A, the list of eligibility documents. For this certificate, the registration date is December 22, 1966. Mayor's permit expiration date is December 31, 2020. Tax clearance expiration date is January 2, 2026. The audited financial statement date of filing is March 19, 2025. For the pickup license, yan. It also submitted a copy of mayor's permit, tax clearance, the audited financial statement. We will browse the submission subject to the evaluation of the technical work. We also document from the Security and Exchange Commission. We will also browse the submission subject to the further evaluation of the technical working group. May we get the rating, Sir Dante? Thank you po. May we get your rating, Director Ilano?
Sorry, can
May
you
we get your
repeat
rating,
po?
Director?
Can you repeat po?
May we get your rating, Director Ilano?
Sorry, medyo mahina po. Choppy ata yung line.
Yes, sir. May we get your rating, Director Ilano, for the field registration certificate submitted by the corporation po?
Sorry, ano po yung kailangan po
Sorry,
from my end?
ano po yung kailangan po from my end?
Rating, sir. May we get your rating po?
Medyo choppy po talaga,
Medyo
nagpuputol-putol.
copy po talaga, nagpuputol-putol.
Okay lang po, I can check in the chat if
Okay lang
you
po, I
can
can
chat
check
po.
in the
Thank you.
chat if you can chat po. Thank
Hello, sir. May we get your rating, Director Castro?
Pass.
Thank you, ma'am. Again po, may we get your rating, Director Ilano?
Pass po from my end as well.
Po. Next is for the technical documents, statement of the prospective bidder of all its ongoing government and private contracts, including contracts awarded but not yet started, if any, whether similar or not similar in nature and complexity to the contract to be bid.
Shown on the screen is the list of ongoing government contracts, including contract awarded but not yet started. It includes the following details: the name of the contract, date of contract, owner's name, address, telephone numbers, contract duration, date of delivery, kinds of goods, amount of contract, and value of outstanding or unpaid portion of the contract. For the government, the listed first is the SD of D&D White Petroleum Oil and Lubricants, requirements for calendar year 2020 Lot 1. The amount of the contract is 2,910,228,963 pesos and 2 centavos. The value of outstanding works is 320,125,185. The value of outstanding works is 320,125,185 pesos and 95 centavos. Next is same project. This is for lot 2. The amount of the contract is 103,660,214 pesos and 32 centavos. The value of outstanding works is 5,183,010 pesos and 72 centavos. Next is the project from SD of D&D Wide Petroleum Oil and Lubricants, requirements for calendar year 2021, Lot 1. The amount of the contract is 4,660,613,945 pesos and 87 centavos. The outstanding works is 515,273,673 pesos and 50 centavos. Next is for the same project for Lot 2. The amount of the contract is 163,269,359 pesos and 16 centavos. The undelivered portion is 29,388,184 pesos and 65 centavos. Next is for the year 2022. For the Lot 1, the amount of the contract is 4,876,666,532 pesos and 49 centavos. The undelivered portion is 48,766,865 pesos and 32 centavos. Next is for the same project for the calendar year 2020. For the Lot 2, the amount of the contract is 207,950,564 pesos and 47 centavos. The portion is 58,226,158 pesos and 5 cents. Next is for the SD of D&D Wide Petroleum Oil and Lubricants, requirement for calendar year 2023, Lot 1, Sublat and R1 in delivery of ground petroleum requirement for NCR. This is second rebidding. The amount of the contract is 819,978,075 pesos and 40 centavos. The 6,597,149 pesos and 80 centavos. Next is for the same project. This is for Luzon. The amount of the contract is 2,156,009,856 pesos and 98 centavos. The value of outstanding works is 237,161,084 pesos and 27 centavos. Next is for the same project again, is for Visayas. The amount of the contract is 765,779,321 pesos and 9 centavos. The undelivered portion, 15,315,586 pesos and 42 centavos. Next is for the same project for Mindanao. The amount of the contract is 471,771,320 pesos and 47 centavos. The portion is 235,480,411 pesos and 28 centavos. Next is the SD of the Petroleum Oil and Lubricants for calendar year 2023, Lot 1, Sublat and R5 for the supply and delivery of aviation petroleum requirements nationwide. Out of the contract is 2,501,197,691 pesos and 89 centavos. The value of outstanding works is 943,943,146 pesos. Next is for the SD and of D&D Wide Petroleum Oil and Gas requirements for calendar year 2023 Lot. The amount of the contract is 284,999,421 pesos and 85 centavos. The value of outstanding work is 128,214,739 pesos and 83 cents. Next is for the Lot 3. The amount of the contract is 2,251,999,000 1,085,635 pesos and 84 centavos. The outstanding works is 315,151,989 pesos and 2 centavos. Next is for the supply and delivery of additional DND-wide petroleum oil and lubricants. Requirements for calendar year 2023, Lot 1, Sublot NR1. The supply and delivery of ground petroleum requirements for NCR. The amount of the contract is 55,053,058 pesos and 69 centavos. The value of outstanding works is 6,568,048 pesos and 26 centavos. Next is for the supply and delivery of additional DND-wide petroleum for the Luzon. The value of the contract is 121,384,527 pesos and 52 centavos. The value of outstanding works is 8,953,624 pesos and 90 centavos. Next is the supply and delivery of additional DND-wide for Visayas. The amount of the contract is 38,847,977 pesos and 62 centavos. The outstanding works is 550,772 pesos and 97 centavos. Next is the supply of additional DND-wide petroleum and lubricants requirements for calendar year 2023 for Mindanao. The amount of the contract is 82,207,942 pesos. The undelivered portion is 1,353,500 pesos and 7 centavos. Next is the supply and delivery of additional DND-wide. This for the supply and delivery of aviation petroleum requirements nationwide. The project amount is 5,150,000 pesos, and the value of outstanding works is 2,310,508 pesos and 64 centavos. Next is for the same project for calendar year 2024. CR, the value of the contract is 1,142,053,201 pesos and 41 centavos. The outstanding works is same the value of the contract, 1,142,050,201 pesos and 41 centavos. Next is for the same project for Luzon. This is for the calendar year 2024. The amount of the contract is 2,195,458,834 pesos and 76 centavos. Same with the value of outstanding works. Is for the same project for Visayas. The contract amount is 829,546,858 pesos and 66 centavos. Same of outstanding works. Next is for Mindanao. For the same project for calendar year 2024, the amount is 1,759,358,292 pesos and 26 centavos. Same with the value of outstanding works. Next is for the supply and delivery of D&D poll requirements for calendar year 2024 for nationwide. The value of the contract is 2,145,112,191 pesos and 34 centavos. And the value of outstanding works is 2,144,000 apologies po, 2,144,911,146 pesos and 5 centavos. Next is for the Lot 6 for the supply and delivery of aviation petroleum requirements nationwide. First 3B, the amount of the contract is 632,947,725 pesos and 48 centavos. Same with the value of outstanding works. Next is the same project for Lot 2, supply and delivery of oil and lubricant requirements nationwide. The project cost is 263,595,467 pesos and 71 centavos. Same with the value of outstanding works. This is for Lot 3 for the same project. The value of the contract is 2 million. This is 2,575,032,196 pesos and 31 centavos. And the value of outstanding works is 2,394,779,942 pesos and 57 centavos. Next is the supply and delivery of additional fuel, oil, and lubricants for calendar year 2024. The project cost is 836,837,922 pesos and 44 centavos. The value of outstanding works is 94,707,104 pesos and 70 centavos. Next is for the supply and delivery of one lot fuel, oil, and lubricants for calendar year 2024. The project cost is 64,808,523 pesos and 50 centavos. The value of outstanding works is 45,805,799 pesos and 39 centavos. Next is the supply and delivery of one lot fuel, oil, and lubricants. The project is 522,963,540 pesos and 52 centavos. The value of outstanding works is 231,124,029 pesos and 33 centavos. Next is for the supply and delivery of one lot fuel, oil, and lubricants for calendar year 2024 through repeat order. The project cost is 8,184,667 pesos and 9 centavos. The outstanding works is 36,057,928 pesos and 39 centavos. Next is procurement of additional fuel for fiscal year 2024 for the PPSC BAC IB number 006. The project cost is 4,678,060 pesos and 50 centavos. Same with the value of outstanding work. Next is the supply and delivery of 15,913 liters of fuel, oil, and lubricants. The cost is 1,344,648 pesos and 50 centavos. Same with the value of outstanding works. Next is the MDCSD of diesel fuel to SPUG power plants and barge for calendar year 2024. The project cost is 10,218,859 pesos. Apologies po. The amount is 10,218,859,100 pesos and 10 centavos. The outstanding works is 1,976,327,349 pesos and 96 centavos. Next is for the additional diesel fuel oil requirements through repeat order for the same project. The project cost is 744,344,000 3,636 pesos and 79 centavos. The value of outstanding works is 540,218,958 pesos and 22 centavos. Next is for the NDSCD of diesel fuel to SPUG power plants and barge calendar year 2025. The project cost 2,839,580,105 pesos and 50 centavos. The value of outstanding works is 2,764,047,274 pesos and 69 centavos. Next is the MDSCD of diesel fuel oil to SPUG power plants and barge for calendar year 2025. The project cost is 6,73,034,088 pesos and 30 centavos. And the outstanding works is 6,108,303,747 pesos and 42 centavos. Next is procurement of fuel oil lubricant fleet card for calendar year 2025. The project cost is 5,582,550 pesos. And the outstanding works is 5,071,244 pesos and 90 centavos. Last for the government is the procurement of fuel through fleet card service renewal. The project cost is 7,468,000 pesos. For the private, they listed the International Container Terminal Service Incorporated for the supply of petroleum and lubricants. The amount of the project is 6,860,705,508 pesos. And the undelivered portion is 4,089,344,385 pesos and 15 centavos. And the total undelivered portion is 30,590,395,245 pesos and 68 centavos. This document is signed by Mr. Christopher Sina and Ms. Magnolia Cecilia Uy, the Vice President for the Retail Sales. May we get the rating of the back, please?
May we get your rating, Sir Dante?
Pass.
Thank you po. May we get your rating, Director Ilano?
Pass po. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. May we get your rating, Director Castro?
Pass.
Thank you, ma'am. Next is a statement of the bidder's single largest completed contract similar to the contract to be bid except conditions provided for in section 23.4.1.23.4.2.4 of the 2016 revised IRR of RA number 9184 within the relevant period as provided in the bidding documents. The following documents must be submitted together with the statement of the largest completed contract and user's acceptance, certificate of completion, at least satisfactory rating, official receipt, sales invoice for the contract.
For the information of everyone, for this purpose, the contract similar to the project fuel card service or the fleet cards completed within 3 years prior to the deadline for the submission and receipt of bids. submitted a statement of bidders single largest completed contract or the SLCC similar to the contract to be bid. It includes the name of the contract or the project cost, the owner's name, address, telephone numbers, nature of work, bidder's role, date awarded, date of contract, and date of completion, and the percent of accomplishment. For the SLCC, they listed the supply and delivery of DNY petroleum oil lubricants requirements for calendar year 2021. The total cost is 1,713,900. Apologies po. They list the contract amount for this is 1,713,909,165 pesos and 21 centavos. This document is signed by Mr. Alvin Christopher Vicena and Ms. Magnolia Cecilia D. Uy. For the attachment, the following documents: the certification issued by the Armed Forces of the Philippines, Office of the Quartermaster General. They also attach a copy of Notice of Award, a copy of contract agreement, may we get the rating of the back, please?
May the rating, Sir Dante.
Pass.
Thank you po. May we get the rating, Director Ilano?
Pass also. Thank you.
Thank you po. May we get your rating, Director Castro? Thank you. Next is the original copy of bid security if in the form of surety bond, a submit also a certification issued by the Insurance Commission or copy of notarized bid securing declaration. Bidders who opt to submit a bid securing declaration and a form of bid security are required to use the bid securing declaration form in the attached bidding documents.
For the bid security, we submitted a bid securing declaration form. The bid securing declaration form submitted is in the prescribed format and it contains all the mandatory requirements. Signed by Mr. Alvin Christopher Vicena and Ms. Magnolia Cecilia D. Uy, and notarized by Attorney Concepcion Villarreña. This notarial commission will be valid until December 31, 2025. May we get the rating of the back, please?
May we get your rating, Sir Dante?
Pass.
Thank you po. May we get your rating, Director Ilano?
Pass also. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. May we get your rating, Director Castro? Again po, may we get your rating, Director Castro? Again po, may we get your rating, Director Castro?
Pass.
Thank you, ma'am. Next is the schedule of requirements.
Shown on the screen is the schedule of requirements submitted by Petron Corporation, signed by Mr. Alvin Vicena, Ms. Maria Cecilia D. May we get the rating of the back, please?
May we get your rating, Sir Dante?
Pass.
Thank you po. May we get your rating, Director Ilano?
Pass also.
Thank you, sir. May we get your rating, Director Castro?
Hindi po ito bago, pero may
Again po, may we get your rating, Director Castro?
Pass.
Thank you, ma'am. Next is the conformity with the technical specifications, which may include production, delivery schedule, manpower requirements, and or after-sales parts if applicable.
For the technical specification, the bidder is stated comply for item 1 down to item 1.3.1. They also stated their compliance for item 1.2 down to item 4.1. They also stated their compliance for item 4.2 down to item 8.1. Also for item 8.2, item 8.9, they stated their compliance. This is signed for Alvin Christopher Vicena and Magnolia. So attach a copy of Annex 8, the list of motor vehicles. And the gasoline fuel vehicles. May we get the rating of the back, please?
May we get your rating, Sir Dante?
Pass.
Thank you po. May we get your rating, Director Ilano?
Pass po.
Thank you po. May we get your rating, Director Castro?
Pass.
Thank you, ma'am. Next is the original duly signed omnibus warrant statement. If authorized secretary certificate in case of a corporation, partnership, or cooperative or original special power of attorney of all members of the joint venture giving full power and authority to its officer to sign the OSS and do acts to represent the bidder.
For the record, they also attach a manpower requirements with remarks as not applicable. The bidder submitted a omnibus warrant in the prescribed format. Contains all the mandatory provisions signed by Mr. Christopher Vicena and Ms. Julia Cecilia Oy. This document is also notarized by Attorney Concepcion Villarina. They also attach a copy of Secretary's certificate. Hereby appointing the following signatory, Ms. Magnolia Cecilia D. Oy, as the Card Business Group Manager. And also for Mr. Christopher Vicena, they are jointly authorized to execute any documents of the corporation for bidding and the negotiation, execution, and delivery of any and all documents relating to the project of the Department of Information and Technology for the procurement of fuel to fleet card service. This document is signed by Ms. Juan Javier Ilacio, the Vice President, General Counsel, and Corporate Secretary. This document is notarized by Dennis S. Flores, whose notarial commission is valid until December 31, 2020. May we get the rating of the back, please?
May we get your rating, Sir Dante?
Pass.
Thank you po. May we get your rating, Director Ilano?
Pass po.
Thank you, sir. May we get your rating, Sir Castro?
Pass.
Thank you, ma'am. Next is the prospective bidder's computation of net financial contracting capacity or a committed line of credit, the universal or commercial bank in lieu of its NFCC computation.
For the bidder's computation of net financial contracting capacity, they submitted a credit line certification issued by Metro. This is for the procurement of fuel through fleet service. Amounting to 906,806 pesos and 20 centavos. This document is signed by the bank authorized officer, Mr. David Agual and Carlos Redentor Magtibay. Meeting of the back, please.
May we get your rating, Sir Dante?
Pass.
Thank you po. May we get your rating, Director Ilano?
Pass.
Thank you po. May we get Director Castro?
Pass.
Thank you, ma'am. For the Class B documents, if applicable, a duly signed joint venture agreement in case the joint venture is already in existence or duly notarized statement from all the potential joint venture partners stating that enter into and abide by the provisions of the JVA in the instance that the bid is successful, not applicable. Next, for foreign bidders claiming by reason of their country's extension of reciprocal rights to Filipinos, certification from the relevant government office of their country stating that the Filipinos are allowed to participate in government procurement activities for the same item and product, also not applicable. Given that majority of the BAC members have voted pass for the technical component envelope submitted by Petron Corporation, may we get your final rating, Mr. Chair? Asek Reyes, please.
Sorry, paulit lang.
May we get your final rating for the technical component envelope submitted by Petron Corporation, Chair?
Yeah, pass.
Thank you po.
Thank you po, Mr. Chair. Having passed the preliminary evaluation of the technical component envelope, we will now proceed to open the financial component envelope submitted by Petron Corporation po.
Yes, proceed, please.
For the financial documents, the financial document envelope contains 3 separate envelopes: the financial original copy, duplicate copy, and triplicate copy. We will now proceed to open the original copy and distribute the duplicate and triplicate copy to the end user and PWG present here in the conference room.
For the financial component envelope, original of the design and accomplished financial bid form.
For the bid form, the bidder bid amount The bid is amounting to 8,612,044 pesos. Again po, the bid amount of Petron Corporation is 8,612,044 pesos. This is signed by Mr. Alvin Christopher Vicena and Magnolia Cecilia Uy, the manager and vice president of the Petron Corporation. With this po, may we get the rating of back, please?
May we get your rating, Sir Dante?
Pass.
Thank you po. May we get your rating, Dr. Ilano?
Pass.
Thank you, sir. May we get your rating, Director Castro?
Pass.
Thank you, ma'am. Next, the original of the listing and accomplished price schedule.
The price schedule submitted by Petron Corporation is offered from within the Philippines. It includes the item, description, country of origin, quantity, unit price AXW per item, transportation and all other costs incidental to delivery per item, sales and other taxes payable if contract is awarded per item, the cost of incidental services if applicable per item, total price per unit, total price delivered to final destination. And the total price delivered to final destination is 8,612,004 pesos. This document is signed by Mr. Alvin Christopher Bisset and Ms. Magnolia Cecilia Uy. May we get the rating of the back, please?
May we get your rating, Sir Dante?
Pass.
Thank you po. May we get your rating, Director Ilano?
Pass.
Thank you po. May we get your rating, Director Castro?
Pass.
Thank you, ma'am. For the other documentary requirements under RA number 9184 as applicable, certification from the DTI if the bid claims preference as domestic bidder or domestic entity, not applicable. Given that majority of the BAC members have voted pass for the financial component envelope, may we get your final rating, Mr. Chair? Asek Reyes, please.
Pass.
Thank you po. May also your overall rating for the financial and for the technical and financial component envelope, Mr. Chair, please.
Pass. Backside. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you so much, Mr. Chair. We'll be finalizing for the eligibility checklist and the abstract of bids for presentation and approval of the back numbers. Shown on the screen is the eligibility checklist for the procurement of fuel through fleet card service. We have one bidder, the corporation. The rating for the legal documents, for the legal and technical documents is pass. Also for the rating for the technical component envelope is pass. And the financial component envelope is also pass. And the overall rate is pass. To this po, may we have a acknowledgement from the representative of Petron to kindly acknowledge the rating po and the eligibility checklist as presented.
Hello po, this is to acknowledge the rating po presented. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Chair, having the eligibility checklist acknowledged by the bidder, may we have the approval of the back, please?
Ako lang ba yun? Sorry.
No, sir. This is for the approval of the backers po.
Okay. So this is a motion, right?
Yes po, sir.
Okay, thank you. Back members, any motion for the approval?
Mr. Chair, I move for the approval of the presented abstract bids.
Thank you. Any second?
Second the motion.
Thank you. Backsec, we have an approved motion. Thank you.
Thank you so much po, Mr. Chair. Next po is the abstract of bids as read. Shown on the screen is the abstract of bids as read for the same project. The bidder is the Petron Corporation. The total amount of bid is 8,612,044 pesos. For the formal bid security, this bid security, the required bid security is not applicable. This is sufficient and remarks as pass. Again po, may we have from representative of Petron.
Confirming on the presented result of abstract bids as read. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Mr. Chair, we may also have the approval of the backpack for the abstract of bids as read.
Back members, may I get approval from the abstract of bids as read?
Mr. Chair, submitting this motion for the approval of the abstract bids as read.
Thank you. Any second?
Second the motion.
Thank you, ma'am. We have an approval. Backsec, thank you.
Thank you so much po, Mr. Chair. The eligibility checklist and abstract of bids as read have been approved by the back. We will route these both documents po for signature of the back members. Thank you so much po. For the side of the TWG, we will just request for a commitment po to submit the report on Wednesday, July 30.
Will do po. Thank you.
Thank you so much po. Mr. Chair, that's all po from the side of the back secretariat for this agenda.
Thank you, Backsec, for that smooth agenda for today. Thank you for helping the back go through it. Back members, any other matters that you would like to take up?
None on my end.
Thank you. Hearing that there are none, can I get a motion for the adjournment of today's back meeting?
Mr. Chair,
Motion to
move for the
adjourn.
adjourn.
Any second po?
Second the motion, Mr. Chair.
Second.
Thank you, back members. Thank you, Backsec. Thank you
Thank you
also
po.
to Petron. Thank you, everyone. Have a good day.
Thank you. Thank you po.
Pasek, Sir
Salamat po.
Castro,
Thank
Dear
you po.
Gino, and
Salamat
Sir
po.
po, Sir Dante.